Hey nerds, Coffee back here. I thought I'd do a little bit of a short update video on some of the RacingApp features that have been long requested that we just added. I'll start with the most requested one, which is automated races. You can now define a set of races or tracks or setups in your config that will allow you to automate some hosting. These are done by default every 20 minutes, and after they get hosted they start 5 minutes later if you don't change your coolout or cooldown or whatever that thing is called. This is the same variable that cancels races for like normal hosting if no one starts it in like 5 minutes. And you can set the laps and the buy-in and the least amount of racers that need to join and the class. You can also set some payout variables that are tied to them. These can be like extra money if, for every person who joins, like everyone gets paid out to encourage more people racing, and maybe a extra payout for the winner, extra payout for just joining, or whatever you want to do. It's quite a lot of them, so be sure to check the config out. And secondly, we have track sharing. You can now create tracks from share, where you just put in the name, and here you will paste the checkpoints. These are the same variable that are stored in the database, and you can also grab them from your tracks now, which turns out here. So let's say I wanted to create a copy of this one for some reason. I can copy this and then paste here. This is how the files look, and bam, I just created a copy of that track for some reason. Why would I do that? I don't know, but you can also share these. For example, we created a track sharing channel on the CW Discord, so I mean, drop by and share your tracks, maybe grab some of ours. I've been trying to post some of the ones I like most that I've been doing. Yeah. And related to that, since a lot of you have been struggling with the GPS, we did add some GPS options. So currently, this settings is gonna be including more stuff than the GPS in the future, probably. But right now it's only GPS. You can now choose if you want to show the GPS route at all. If you deselect this, you will only see the blips, I think it is. And you can also choose to ignore roads, which means they draw straight lines between the checkpoints instead. Fair warning though, this is a bit weird on specifically like circuits, I think it is. It might not show the last one. This one, it's done a bit differently and weirdly, and I think it breaks if you have the same coordinates twice or whatever. It's no mind. You probably don't need to care about this. You should try it and see, because you can toggle this whenever. I think you can even toggle the mid-race, and they probably change at least when you cross the finish line on a circuit, for example. These are not saved in the database or anything currently. So you'll have to update these every time you start the game. But yeah, you can do them, for example, per race. If you have a race that you know needs to ignore roads, you can just tell people ignore roads on this, and they'll have to click this. You know, pretty nice, if you ask me. The server defaults for these can also be set in the config if you feel like they need to be in one way or another. And I think that is it for this update. Bye.